Good morning, 5th class. Today we will discuss about the chapter Nouns, Singular and Plural, the 6th chapter in your book. Dear students, till now we have discussed about nouns and its different aspects. Today we will discuss about another aspect of noun, that is singular and plural. Till now we already know that nouns are the naming words of any person, animal, place or thing. But not necessarily that naming words will be used for single person, animal, place or things. Sometimes naming words for more than one person, place, animal or thing will be used. So, a noun which stands for only one person, place, animal or thing is called singular noun. For example, man, pen, horse, city, etc. A noun which stands for more than one person, place, animal or thing is called plural noun. For example, men, pens, horses, cities, etc. But there are few rules to convert singular nouns to plural nouns, which are as follows. The first rule says, in most cases, an extra s is added to the singular noun to form the plural nouns. For example, pen becomes pens, book becomes books. The second rule says, an extra es is added to a singular noun which ends with the alphabet O, S, double S, CH, SH or X to make them plural. For example, potato which ends with a O becomes potatoes. We used a ES at the end of potato, O of potato. Bus which ends with a S, we added an ES after the S of buses and it becomes buses. Class which ends with double S, we added ES after the double S and it becomes classes. Bench becomes benches, brush becomes brushes, box becomes boxes. But there are some exceptions these type of words. Some nouns are there which in spite of being ended with the alphabet O do not add an ES. Rather, they add only an extra S to get converted into plural. For example, radio become radios in spite of being ended with a O. Photo which ends with a O adds on only an S to become plural. The third rule says, when a noun ends with the alphabet F or FE, it removes F or FE but add on an extra VES for both the cases. For example, thief become thieves, wife become wives. But some exceptions are still there in this case too. There are some nouns which in spite of being ended with alphabet F or FE do not follow the same rule. Rather, they just add on an extra S to get converted into plural. For example, roof become roofs, hoof become hoofs. When nouns ends with a vowel Y, then an extra S is just added at the end of the singular noun to make it plural. For example, toy. The Y has a previous O, that is a vowel, becomes toys. Valley become valleys. But when a word ending with a Y have a consonant before that, then it adds an extra IES. For example, army, the Y gets removed and an extra IES gets attached to the word. Body, the Y has a consonant D, so that Y gets removed and an extra IES at the end of the word and it becomes bodies. The fifth rule says there are nouns which do not follow any rule. Hence, they are called irregular plural forms. For example, man become men, tooth become teeth, radius become radii, child become children. Last but not the least, there is another rule. The sixth rule says there is yet another variation of rule of conversion of singular noun to plural noun. Some nouns have the same form in the singular and plural form. That is, what we use as a singular form can also be used as a plural form. For example, information, furniture, etc. These type of words can be used both as singular and plural. And the second type, some nouns have only plural forms but no singular forms. For example, trousers, spectacles, etc. This type of words can be used as a pair. Objects are used as a pair, so they are found only in plural form but not in singular form. So these are the rules that we have to follow by converting singular noun to plural noun. Thank you.